Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would transform your skin, transform your face, okay, using it just once. Like if you use it tonight, the next morning you are going to be seeing a huge result. Okay, so this remedy is going to be super duper great. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into this video, but before that, follow me on Instagram. We're gonna be needing carrot for this, guys, okay, because carrot is a great and natural home remedy that helps to tighten up the skin, leave the skin glowing, and it also helps to firm up a double chin and double jawline. Right, so to start with, we're going to be cutting in the carrots, and that's going to be enough. So you're going to cut it in little tiny cubes. Then blend. So I'm gonna be transferring the blended carrots into this bowl, my mixing bowl. And then we're going to also be making use of banana. Now banana is a great moisturizer to the skin, and it is great for an irritated and sunburned skin. It's great for all skin type, and it therefore helps to remove pigments and dark spots. Now we're going to be cutting in banana. And now we're going to blend the banana. It's very well blended, and this is how it looks like. And also transferring that into the bowl. And this is it. And also we're going to be making use of Vaseline, which is petroleum jelly. Now this is a great skin moisturizer, and it therefore helps to remove fracky skin, flappy skin, wrinkles and lines. Petroleum jelly. And you should put a good quantity, although not too much. and we're gonna be needing egg. Now egg is a natural home remedy for wrinkles and fine lines and also open pores. Okay, when you have all of these things on your skin is not going to be looking glowing. So with the help of egg, it's just going to help to eradicate all of that, and your skin is going to be looking very beautiful. Now for the egg, break open the egg. And then we'll take in the white. 2 tablespoons of egg white will go a long way for this. That is 1 tablespoon. And this is another 1 tablespoon. Okay. So now let's mix. Alright guys, so for this you can actually use it like once in a week, because it's something that is going to renew your skin and make you look so beautiful. Okay, so it's just going to help you to remove all of those pigments and your skin is going to glow. Alright, so let's go demonstrate this. Hey, what's up? Alright, so here is the treatment and it looks really friendly, and I'm gonna be applying this with a brush. So smells really nice and it's so cooling. Alright, so you apply this at night, okay, before you go to sleep. When you wake up, your skin is going to be looking very healthy. Glowing and really polished. Alright, so you have to apply this generously and do this mostly in the evening when you're actually back from work. You know, mix this, apply it onto your face, and I mean your face is gonna be looking babyish like the next day. Okay. Alright, so you have to let it go close under your eye, so to get rid of any eye darkness. Okay, because the ingredients here are very mild and very friendly too. Okay, so after that is done, then you can hold it on for like 2 to 3 minutes and then you wash it. Okay, so will you want to see me wash my face? Yes. Alright, so let me go wash this off and I'll wait for like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Alright, so after 2 minutes then you can wash off. So